How to instantly transfer money from your PayPal to bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can actually transfer money from PayPal to your bank account using the mobile app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first, you just need to launch the PayPal application on your phone and then log in if needed and necessary. And once you log in, you'll see this kind of interface. Make sure you're on the home page, and when you're on home page, you will see your PayPal balance. Just tap on your PayPal balance over here. Once you tap on your PayPal balance, at the bottom of the screen, just tap on the option that says transfer, and then simply tap on the transfer money option, as you can see over here. Once you tap on the transfer money option, you have to simply tap the bank account that you want to transfer the money to, and then just tap on the next button. Now enter the amount of money you actually want to transfer, and then just tap on next, and confirm that you want to complete this transaction by tapping the transfer this much amount at the bottom of the screen. And that is all it takes to actually transfer your money from PayPal to bank account. Though it may not be instant and may take some period of time, this is how you can get your job done. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.